Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use TikTok search widgets on iPhone. Let's start. First of all, press and hold on your screen. Then click on the plus add button from the top left corner. From here, you can search any widget you want to add on your screen. Now search TikTok. Tap on it and you can choose different widget style from here. Once you select any widget you like, then tap on Add Widget to add it on the home screen. Now, as you can see, the widget is added on the top of your page. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.